Hello, my name is Trent. I'll be taking you through the basics of wiring this keypad. As you can see, we have an overview of the keypad's terminal connections, as well as a mag lock and an exit switch. We are going to cover the following: power, which is 12 volt DC, mag lock set to normally closed, and an exit switch. Start with the 12 volt DC, then we link the mag lock and the RT back to ground. Now we take the mag lock to the NC and then common back to 12 volts. Now the RTE to RTE/BL. We recommend the brake glass, whether it's single or double pole, should be the final power brake for your electric locking devices. However, clarification should be sought from your local building control office. Thank you for watching.